Hey folks, Adam Ashby here with Puyallup Car and Truck. I'd like to show you our 2004 Chevy Tahoe LT 4x4, stock number 79643. One owner, local trade-in, clean vehicle history report, never been in an accident. So walk around the Tahoe here, I'd like you to just take notice of the condition of the exterior. The paint and the body itself are still in excellent condition. Being that it is the LT model, it is fully loaded. Take a look inside here with me. Leather seats, heated seats, memory seats, power seats, upgraded Bose stereo system, 6-disc in-dash CD changer, factory moonroof. As we come to the second row here, you will notice that this particular model does have the captain's chairs in the middle row. Very nice feature, makes it very easy to access the third row seat. It also does have the factory DVD player as well. So we walk around to the rear of the vehicle, you notice it is equipped with the factory tow hitch if you're going to use it to pull any of your toys. The third row seating here does give you seating capacity for 3 more passengers, total seating capacity for 7. You can remove each of these third row seats independently or fold them flush with the second row if you need the additional cargo space. So as I mentioned, one owner, local trade-in, very, very inexpensive full-size third row SUV. Come on down and take a test drive today. Feel free to call me personally at the number you see at the top of the screen or any of our educated sales staff. You're more than welcome to email with any questions if you prefer, or click on any one of the links at the top of the page to check out the rest of our inventory at carspuyallup.com. Make it a great day, and we look forward to earning your business.